Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about 4 marks and 7 marks LAQs and SAQs from straight line topic. We already discussed in the previous session. I hope you know that. But these type of questions also very important. Let us have a discussion question here. A straight line through the point Q of root 3 comma 2 makes an angle pi by 6 with the positive direction of x-axis. If the straight line intersects the line root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 at the point P, find the distance. So different ways they will do, but among that, whichever is I am going to teach here, that is the best method in my view. You decide yourself, dear students. A straight line through the point Q of root 3 comma 2. So if this is the straight line through the point Q of root 3 comma 2 makes an angle pi by 6 with the x-axis. This is x-axis, makes an angle pi by 6, that is equal to theta with x-axis. If the straight line intersects the line, this is the straight line I am going to calculate, L is equal to 0, which intersects the line root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 at the point P, P of x comma y. You have to draw the figure. They are asking to find the distance between these two, that I am assuming that R. From the figure, PQ equal to R, the distance. Are you with me, all of you? I hope you understand that. So first we need to calculate the coordinates of x comma y. How to calculate? Whatever the matter is there in the question, that you write as the first step. Let L is equal to 0 be the line. Otherwise, the line L equal to 0 passing through Q of root 3 comma 2, that is x1 y1, you have to assume, dear students, and making theta equal to pi by 6, making an angle with positive x-axis, with positive x-axis. Okay? After that, this point we are assuming that x1 y1. L is equal to 0 line, we already assumed that. Intersects the line root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 at P of x comma y. So how to calculate P of x comma y? By using parametric equations. P of x comma y equal to parametric equation of the straight lines. x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Here the distance PQ equal to r we have taken now, mod r, that is equal to plus or minus r. So wherever plus or minus r is there, you replace with mod r. So x1 plus mod r into cos theta, y1 plus mod r into sin theta. x1, y1 values available, theta also available here. Observe, dear students. x1 root 3 plus mod r we need to calculate, cos pi by 6, 180 by 6. 180 by 6 means what? 30 degrees. Cos 30. Here theta equal to pi by 6, that is equal to 30 degrees. y1 value 2, this one y1 value 2 plus mod r into sine 30. So we will calculate now root 3 cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So mod r into root 3 by 2, 2 plus mod r into sine 30 1 by 2. So mod r by 2. This is the coordinates of x comma y. Everyone got it now? You got it? We have applied here parametric equations, and from the question itself we wrote the matter, and understand the diagram is very important, students. So x comma y lies on this line. Since p of x comma y lies on root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. This is x value, this is y value. This is x, this is y. So root 3 into, in place of x, root 3 plus mod r into root 3 by 2 minus 4 into, in place of y, 2 plus mod r by 2. 2 plus mod r by 2 plus 8 equal to 0. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus mod r by 2, root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 4 into 2, 8 minus 4 by 2 into mod r plus 8 equal to 0. Plus 8 minus 8 get cancelled. So 3, even from these two also, mod r by 2 take common, 3 minus 4, here 3, here minus 4, equal to 0. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So minus mod r by 2 is equal to 0. 3 is equal to mod r by 2. Cross multiply, mod r equal to 3 to the 6. That is, what we assume that mod r value, PQ. Therefore, PQ equal to mod r equal to 6. Therefore, the distance between the points P and Q is equal to 6. Any doubts are there? After that, you can write in the comments. So therefore, the distance PQ, here only I wrote. Therefore, the distance PQ. Conclusion step. Equal to 6. Amen. Yeah, I am providing the link in the Facebook also in my page, Maths with Panindra page. Panindra maths classes also available. You can share to your friends also the live session. If it is completed, I will move to another one. Yeah, I'll move to next question. In the last session, concurrent lines concept also we discussed. That also we will perpendicular and parallel lines. This question important that I am going to write. Before that, concurrent lines. If the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, bx plus ay plus c equal to 0, dx plus cy plus a equal to 0, and cx plus ay plus b equal to 0 or concurrent, then prove that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So this is also one of the important questions. Whatever the method you approach, you will get the answer, dear students. But the way of asking the question, you can give the answer. But here they are asking to find the condition if the lines are concurrent. First, given lines you write it. Given lines ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Next, bx plus cy plus a equal to 0. Next, cx plus ay plus b equal to 0. After writing the given equations, since the lines are concurrent, whenever the lines are concurrent, you have to underline, you will get the good impression, dear students. Then we have determinant of x coefficient, y coefficient and constant. It form a determinant a, b, c. Next, b, c, a, c, a, b is equal to 0 for writing given equations, and for writing this condition concurrent and equal to 0, you will get 2 marks, dear students, out of 4. Next, we need to simplify plus, minus, plus. So, like a 3 by 3 determinant, how we are doing now in maths 1a, like this way: a into bc minus a square minus b into b square minus ac. Next, plus c into ab minus c square is equal to 0. That implies abc minus a cube minus b cube plus abc minus c cube is equal to 0. So abc plus abc 3abc minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube equal to 0. All these minus terms we are bringing that side. Therefore, you will get a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So hence the result, or hence proved. This is the way we can do that. Otherwise, if they are asking the question, the way of question is different. Suppose, find the point of intersection of these lines and show the condition. That time, solve any two equations, you will get x comma y, point of intersection. That you can substitute in the third line. Suppose if you are solving 1 and 2, you will get x comma y. That value substitute in the third equation, again you will get this condition. That is the way. The way of asking the question, you can give the answer in the different way. Suppose if they are asking in this way, if the lines are concurrent, show the condition means you have to prove in that way. I hope you understand. I will move to another question. Can I have this? Now the time is 7:22. I'll move to another question. Yeah, the next question. Find the equations. Find the equation of line passing through the point of intersection. PI means point of intersection of 2x plus 3y is equal to 1, comma 3x plus 4y is equal to 6 and perpendicular to the line, and perpendicular to the line 5x minus 2y is equal to 7. Here perpendicular case is there, no parallel case also. I will explain this type of question once you go through, dear students. That type of model, I think it is there in the 3E exercise in straight lines. 3E exercise. First you have to understand the question. Find the equation of line passing through point of intersection of these lines. Point of intersection of these two you can calculate. That means solve these two equations. Solving these two equations. Either cross multiplication method or elimination method you can approach. First, given lines. 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. We keep that equation number 1. And second equation, 3x plus 4y minus 6 equal to 0. Equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2. Cross multiplication method I am going to tell you here. Solving 1 and 2. So in solving two equations in cross multiplication method, first y coefficient in the first equation 3, constant minus 1, next x coefficient 2, again y coefficient 3. Similar method approach for the second line. Y coefficient is 4, minus 6, 3, 4. Here x, here y, here 1. After that, this is the way you can, this is called cross multiplication method. So x divided by 3 into minus 6, minus 18, minus 4 into minus 1, minus of minus 4, plus 4 is equal to y divided by minus 3 minus of minus 12 plus 12, 1 divided by 4 2s are 8, minus 3 3s are 9. So x divided by minus 14, y divided by plus 9 is equal to 1 by minus 1. Equating these two, you will get the values of x and y. See how it is. X by minus 14, that is equal to 1 by minus 1. Both minus values cancel and cross multiply. X is equal to 14. I hope you understand. Next, equating these two. Y by 9 is equal to 1 by minus 1. Cross multiply. Minus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to minus 9. Multiplying on both sides by minus. Till this step you will get 2 marks, dear students. After that, whether you continue or not, for finding point of intersection. Therefore, point of intersection of 1 and 2 is P of x comma y is equal to 14 comma minus 9. After that, so these 2 point of intersection, here I am drawing the figure. So this point we got it now. 14 comma minus 9. Find the equation of the line passing through point of intersection. This one. This line I am taking, I am going to calculate. And which is perpendicular to given line. So the given line is this one. What is the given line? 5x minus 2y is equal to 7. So this line L is equal to 0, green line, that I am going to calculate. So this is x1, y1 now I am assuming. Given line 5x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. 7 I am taking into this side. So compare with ax plus by plus c. Here a is equal to 5. B is equal to minus 2 and C is equal to minus 7. Are you getting all of you? A, B and C values. Okay. After that, this is equation number 3. This is the required line. Whatever I am taking. The required line passing through, whatever here I wrote the point of intersection, we got it now. That x1, y1 we are taking. Passing through P of 14 comma minus 9. This you take it as x1, y1. Passing through 14 comma minus 9. And perpendicular to, you have to underline, perpendicular to equation 3 is perpendicular line to ax plus by plus c. We have formula b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 equal to 0. So ab values are there and x1 y1 values also available. B value minus 2, x minus x1 value 14, minus a value 5, y minus y1 value minus 9, minus of minus 9 plus 9. So minus 2x plus 28 minus 5y minus 45 equal to 0. Minus 2x minus 5y 28 minus 45. So what comes here? Minus 17 is equal to 0. Throughout multiplying by minus, you are getting 2x plus 5y plus 17 is equal to 0, which is perpendicular to the given line and passing through point of intersection of these lines. So which is required line? Which is the required line? Okay, we'll move to another question. I'll give time for copying this answer. 1 or 2 minutes or half minute. Got 2 problems, sir. Yeah, shall I wrap this? So similar question, but parallel we are going to discuss now. Find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection. The point of intersection of lines x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0, and parallel to 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. So this is also one of the important questions, dear students. Yeah, someone else is giving message. How many marks can I expect? I'm into second year. I'm learning from Narayan. I already said. You are asking the second time, dear students. You believe and study that you will get the marks, dear students. Without belief, if you are studying now, there is no use. So believe and practice. Don't confuse at all. Confidently you prepare and get it, dear students. Absolutely you will get good marks, don't worry. Find the equation of the line passing through point of intersection of the lines. First we have to calculate the point of intersection of the lines. So first given lines, x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, keep it as equation number 1. Next second line, x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0, equation number 2. Let the point of intersection be, in the previous question I did not write, point of intersection of 1 and 2 be P of x1 y1. So while solving cross multiplication here I am applying. Y coefficient is -2, constant -3, x coefficient 1, y coefficient -2. Okay. Next second equation, y coefficient is 3, constant -6, x coefficient 1, again constant 3. In between these two x1, point of intersection is x1 y1. Here y1, here 1. Cross multiply. So x1 divided by -2 into -6, 12. Minus 3 into -3, -9, minus of -9, plus 9 is equal to y1 divided by -3 minus -6 plus 6, which is equal to 1 by 3 minus of -2 plus 2. So x1 by 21, y1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 5. Equating these two, x1 by 21 is equal to 1 by 5. That implies x1 is equal to 21 by 5. y1 by 3 equal to 1 by 5. That implies y1 equal to 3 by 5. So point of intersection, therefore, point of intersection of 1 and 2 is P of x1 y1 21 by 5 comma 3 by 5. After getting point of intersection, so the figure we are getting here, the figure is point of intersection of lines. This point we got it as 21 by 5, 3 by 5. So this line is required line, L is equal to 0. For this line, parallel line, this is the given line, 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Observe that green line is parallel to blue line only, no? This one. L is equal to 0. Both are parallel. So first, this is x1, y1, dear students. Given line, 3x plus 4y, that 7 also bring this side minus 7 equal to 0. Keep that equation number 3. The equation of line or straight line parallel to equation 3, parallel to equation 3 and passing through 21 by 5 comma 3 by 5, this is x1 y1 distance, is here a value 3 in this, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, c value not required. I am writing the formula a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 equal to 0. Parallel line means, so a value 3 into x minus x1 value 21 by 5, here we got it, plus b value 4, y minus 3 by 5. So 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 21, 63 by 5, plus 4y minus 12 by 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 63 by 5 minus 12 by 5, 63 minus 12, so minus 75 by 5. So 5 table, 5 ones are 5 15s. 3x plus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. Which is the required line? Which is the required line? Required line means parallel line they are asking, dear students. You got it, I think. If it is completed, I'll move to another question and last question. Which may expect in 2024? I am expecting either in TS or AP. So most of the questions I covered in this 4 marks sum. Angle between the two lines and cos theta formula. 2 marks, so one day I will take the class. Don't worry. It's a good question, the coming one. Transform the equation. Transform the equation x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 into the normal form. Into the normal form where a is greater than 0, b is greater than 0. If the perpendicular distance, of the straight line from the origin is P, then deduce that 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. I hope everyone knows about this, but still you have to practice, dear students. So very important question. I am expecting in this public examination. Surely. So first the given line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Keep it as equation number 1. So by taking LCM and simplifying AB, so bx plus ay is equal to 1. Bx plus ay is equal to b. Bx plus ay is equal to ab. After reducing into this form, we have to convert into the normal form. What is the procedure to convert into the normal form? Dividing on both sides by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. That means root of a square plus b square. Dividing on both sides. Dividing on both sides by root of a square plus b square to the above. So what comes here? Bx divided by root of a square plus b square plus ay divided by root of a square plus b square is equal to ab divided by root of a square plus b square. So this can be written as ax means b by root of a square plus b square into x plus a by root of a square plus b square into y is equal to ab by root of a square plus b square. After reducing into this form, the above comparing with the normal form of the straight line. What is the normal form of the straight line? x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. What is cos alpha? What is sin alpha? What is P? Here, cos alpha is equal to B by root of A square plus B square. Next, sin alpha, A by root of A square plus B square. And P equal to AB by root of A square plus B square. They are asking to prove the relation in between P and AB. So what I am going to do is the reciprocal of P I am writing. So 1 by P is equal to root over A square plus B square divided by AB. Squaring on both sides. 1 by P square is equal to A square plus B square divided by A square B square. Now split into two terms. 1 by P square equal to A square by A square B square plus B square by A square B square. So here A square cancel, B square get cancel. 1 by P square equal to 1 by B square plus 1 by A square. Write in the order, that is 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Hence proved. Hence the result. I hope you understand, dear students. Thank you, all of you. We'll meet again day after tomorrow. Why? Because tomorrow I'm going to take for second year classes. Is any doubts are there after completing of the session? You write the comment. Then only I am able to see that. Otherwise I cannot. Why? Because during the teaching time, sometime only available to watch that messages. That is the reason I am suggesting you people. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Maths with Panindra.